Hey everyone, this is Language Chameleon and this is week 4 of our 12 languages, 12 months Japanese episode challenge. And we are here in Casa Tokiwa to learn the art of manga. That's correct, I have to learn how to draw a full page manga in 1 week, guys. So, will I be able to do it? Will I be able to get more than 6 points? Let's find out.
Welcome to Tokyo, the heart of the anime and manga world. This week, I'm diving into one of Japan's most iconic art forms, manga. For 5 days, I'll be learning to draw like a mangaka, with inspiration from my favorite series, Bleach, Naruto, and Jujutsu Kaisen. By the end of the week, I'll face a final test, drawing a full manga page, which will be judged by a real manga editor. It's a challenge that pushes my creative boundaries, and I can't wait to see how it unfolds.
So let's talk a little bit about manga. What is it? Well, number 1, manga is the name for Japanese comic books. Number 2, artists that illustrate manga are called mangaka. Number 3, the word manga actually means rhythmical pictures. Number 4, manga are meant to be read from left to right. Number 5, the first manga was published in 1902. Number 6, the best-selling manga of all time is One Piece, starring Monkey D. Luffy. And number 7, most mangaka work from home.
So, this week's journey begins at Deo, a company that specializes in cultural immersion experiences. They've graciously provided their manga studio for my training.
Alright guys, let me introduce you to our manga residence. So here is where the magic happens. All the mangaka artists are here working their magic. There are 12 rooms in this residence and they are all named after very famous mangakas. Here's Tezuka, the godfather of manga. And here is what a room looks like. This is the second floor. You have more bathrooms and more rooms. I mean, you have here Arakawa Clamp and Toriyama, the father of Dragon Ball. Alright, one very important sentence, question to ask in Japanese is Anata no daisuki na manga wa nan desu ka? What is your favorite manga? For me, Naruto.
My instructor is a professional mangaka with years of experience. Today, we'll start with the basics.
まず、ステップ1が、creating the characters.
Okay.
で、ステップ2が write the story. And ステップ3が、draw storyboards.
はい。
ステップ4、
Step
ラフスケッチ。And ステップ5、inking lesson.
難しいですか? So guys, we are going to be using those kind of pens here. So we have many different sets of pens, okay? And we'll be inking today using this. I've never done it before, so brave new experience. I'm pretty proud of myself. I know it's not Oda from One Piece yet, but you know, I have my storyboard right here. All right.
Iです。どういうキャラクターが最後どうなるか。彼はまあファーストフレンドができる。だけど。
Today, I'm sitting down with my manga teacher to dive into the world of manga, its history, its impact, and what makes it such a vital part of Japanese culture.
漫画について、漫画の歴史について、話してくれませんか？
はい。漫画の表現はすごく古くからあって、700年前には 動物が漫画みたいに描かれていたり、500年以上前の浮世絵には現代の漫画の表現に通じるものがあります。
はい、わかりました。
はい、彼は
アストロボーイですね。
そうですね。彼は、ディズニーのアニメーションからインスピレーションを受けているので、日本人はいろんな影響を受けながら、新しい漫画を作っています。
はい、わかりました。
Understanding the history and depth behind manga has given me a new appreciation for this art form. It's not just about drawing, it's about storytelling, culture, and connection. Day 2, we are delving deeper into character design. It's all about capturing emotion and movement.
Alright guys, I'm going to introduce you to the tools used by Mangaka. So, dogu as tools in Japanese. So, これは何ですか？
これはつけペン。
つけペン。OK。これは
筆ペン。筆
ペン。
筆ペン。
これとそれ
同じ
ですね。
はい。
これは
普通のマジックペン。
Alright, break time. I'm a bit tired. You think that drawing is easy, but it's actually mentally exhausting, guys. And Sensei here brought us some Japanese candies. 日本語でそれは何ですか？
ふ菓子。
ふ菓子。はい。食べてみて。Interesting. I've never tried. 食べたことないな。美味しいな。よかった。ありがとう、ありがとう。So even when you draw, you try new food. So you guys, you should try.
Using those tools, I realize how important they are to mangakas and how far I am from my goals. Today is all about practice. I'm spending the morning refining my techniques before heading out to explore Akihabara. Akihabara is a vibrant district in Tokyo, known for its electric energy, towering anime billboards, countless manga shops, arcades, and a haven for otaku culture enthusiasts. It's a sensory overload. And here's another sentence in Japanese. Watashi no suki na manga wa Naruto desu. My favorite manga is Naruto. Try it out. I decided to ask one of my classmates what made her want to become a mangaka.
Since I was little, I have been passionate about the drawing. I really love to draw, and 3 years ago I discovered, when we were at the pandemic, I discovered all this world about anime, manga, and I think I found that was a great idea to share with people all my stories and all the dreams I have.
All right, awesome. Why did you choose the DO program to learn manga, drawing?
I casually found a DO program that was perfect for me.
With the test looming, I'm starting to feel the pressure, but instead of letting it get to me, I've decided to face my fears head on. What a better way to shake off nerves than by challenging a sumo wrestler? First, I'm here to watch them train and learn their art. Their dedication to their art is truly inspiring. I feel pumped up now and ready for my challenge. But first, let's have some lunch to gain some strength. To win a fight, you either have to push your opponent out of the ring or have them touch the ring with one part of their body. Alright guys, wish me good luck, it's my turn. I hope I can do that. That was intense, but I feel more focused now, ready to tackle my manga challenge with a clear mind. It's my last class before the test. I'm feeling more confident, but there's still so much to learn.
Alright guys, so today is my last class, but it's also the test day. So right now I'm getting my storyboard ready. What do you think? And it needs to look like something like that. Alright, so wish me good luck.
Today's phrase, "Ganbatte kudasai." It means do your best, something I'll need to keep in mind for tomorrow. The time has come. I've just had my final class, and this whole week's work is going to be graded by a real manga editor. Talk about nerve-wracking.
Alright guys, I only have a few hours now to finish my storyboard, and I think I can do it, but it's gonna require me to work really hard. So see you later.
It's time for the verdict. My work is being reviewed by a professional, and the feedback will determine how well I've done.
Alright guys, so today you know it's the test day, and I have here Young Sensei. So he's an editor from Tokyo, manga editor, and he's going to be assessing my work, and let's see how it goes.
説明よりは優れている、はい、という感じですね。はい、わかりました。はい、という感じ。
A Japanese mistake that just cost me 1 point.
はいはい。でも個人的に私は8ポイントあげます。はい。やった。なぜかというと全体的に分かりやすいから、どれを見ても分かりやすいのは一番大事なんですね。どのコマ見ても絵でと表情で分かるのはすごくいいですね。才能あると思う。はい。
And here is the final word in Japanese, sensei. It means teacher or master. Try it out with your teacher. This challenge was more than just learning to draw. It was about pushing my limits, embracing the culture, and finding inspiration in the heart of Tokyo. From the quiet, sustainable life in Kamikatsu, where Terumi-san and her family taught me the importance of community and environmental responsibility, to the vibrant energy of Nagoya, where I saw the passion in Kai's eyes as he shared his dream of exploring the world. Kyoto's serene beauty, with its mix of ancient traditions and modern spirit, showed me the delicate balance that Japan holds dear. And then there was Tokyo, a city that never sleeps, full of creativity and inspiration, where I pushed my own limits and learned to draw like a mangaka. Each person I met, each story I heard, has left a mark on my heart. It's the people who make this country truly special. Their kindness, their resilience, their dedication to their craft. I leave Japan with more than just memories. I leave with the lessons, friendships, and a deeper understanding of a culture that values both the past and the future. Thank you, Japan, for opening your doors and sharing your world with me. I'll carry these experiences with me wherever I go.